how to generate text to voice in your N8n for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your text to voice in N8n just like this.
Hello guys, welcome back to channel.
Think first, what you need is an N8n instance. But if you don't have an N8n account, just go into description and create your account. You will get 15 days free trial. The second thing you need to have is Google Console Cloud account where we will set up our credentials. So let's get started. So first, I will show you how this workflow is working. So this is my execute workflow trigger. So whenever I click on this execute workflow, it start executing. And this is second node, which is HTTP request. The method is post where I have pasted this URL. So this is the text to speech Google's apis.com URL. You have to just copy and paste it over here. And then as you can see, as an authentication, I have selected the predefined credential type. And into that, I have selected Google OAuth to API. Now, if you want to create a credential for that, what you need to do is select predefined credential. Then you have to select Google Auth and you have to click on this Google OAuth to API and then click on this create credential. You will see something like this. So first we have to make sure you have copied this redirect URL, and what you need to do next is go to your new tab and search for Google Console Cloud. From here you can manage everything related to your Google Cloud. Now, if you're new to Google Cloud, what you can do is you have to create an account. As you can see, I have already created an account over here. So let me just change my account over here. So now what you need to do is click on this project. From here, you can access all of your project. If you don't have created any product, just go to new project from here and just click on this create new project. Right now, I am out of limit to create project. You can create only 12 project, I guess. But if you want, if you are new, then you can create 12 project. Now I have crossed my limit. So I will select one of these project. And from here, what I will do, I will just simply click on this three line. And from there, I will go to API and services and go to library from here. Make sure you have enabled the API of text to speech. Let me search text to. Now, as you can see, I have this Claude text to speech API. Just simply click on it, and then you have to click on the enable option. And then Cloud text API requires project billing with the account. Okay, this is one of the important thing over here. What you need to do is click on this enable billing. From there, you have to create a billing account for this Google Cloud. It's for free, and you will get $13, $300 in credit for free. So you have to just set up at once and then you can cancel it. It's free of cost. You can set up QR code and phone pay, UPI, credit card, debit card. They have a lot of options. So after going that part, okay, I have successfully enabled my text to speech. So next what I'm going to do, I will just simply get back and click on this navigation menu again. And from here, I will go to credentials. Click on this credentials. And from here, what you have to do is create new credential for your project. Now, from the top, you will see there is option of create credential, and just simply go to auth client ID. Click on it, and it will take you to this page where you have to enter your redirect URL. So just choose web application, and from there you have to give a name. So I will just set by default, and I will copy this OAuth redirect URL, get back to my Cloud Console account, and then click on this add URL button and paste that URL. Now from here, I will just simply click on this create button and I will get client ID. So I will copy the client ID and paste it over here, and then I will go to client secret and I will copy that too and I will paste over here. Now we need scope. Now I have copied the scope, just paste it over here. You will get this link. If you just comment it down, I will send you the Google doc, so you don't need to worry about that. Now after that, you have to just simply click on the save button and click on the sign in with the Google. So it will pop up something like this, and make sure, let me get back to my Google console and let me just click on this OK, and it will create my client web client 7, as you can see here. Now go to let me just get back and go to what consent screen. Make sure your application is published. Now from here, you can manage your application showing this right back testing. If it doesn't show, just simply click on that button. It will show you something like this. Now let me get back to my N8n and save everything and then click on the sign in the Google. If you get any kind of error while you are creating credential for your OAuth 2, you can come to my Discord server and I will fix you for that. Now I will just simply connect and continue. So as you can see, we have successfully connected our account. So I will give text to speech and I will save it. Now just simply close this. And from there, you have to turn on the send header and you have to give the name of content type, which is where you have to add the application/JSON. Now after that, you have to turn on the send body and then you have to click on this body content type and then you have to select the using JSON and you have to put this JSON format over here. As you can see, this is input, which is our text, and from here you can change voice as well. So you can do a lot of configuration once it is connected. Now after that, let me just execute this step. Let me change the text from hello guys, welcome back to the channel and join my Discord. So now just simply click on the save. Now let me just execute this. Now, as you can see, it's starting executing. When you open this HTTP request node, you will get to see something like this. This is in the form of, you can say, base64. We have to convert into file. So that's why we are using this node, which converts the audio into our original file or a binary data. Now just simply execute this step. As you can see, we get our audio. You can download it or you can view it.
Hello guys, welcome back to channel. Join my Discord server.
So can do. And if you talk about the configuration, you have to set the operation for move base64 string to file, and then you have to choose this. You have to just drag into your base64 input feed, and then after that you have to put output data file into field data, which is data. So simply you have to do these things, and it is set up everything. And as we can see, we have successfully generated our audio. This is how you can generate audio for free, text to audio for free. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.